Patient referral slip book. There would be one book of referral slips distributed to the laboratory technicians of each DMC under the selected TB unit. The LT of the DMC will be the custodian of the patient referral slip book. The book shall have 50 numbers of referral slips. This is printed in a 1+1 format with a self-duplicating paper. The patient copy on which the LT records the information is pink in color. This copy shall be detached and handed over to the smear-positive patient. The second copy, white color, would not be detached and would be retained in the referral slip book for the reference of the DMC LT. Let us now view the contents of the referral slip and the information that is to be recorded. The date on which the referral slip is issued to the smear-positive patient is recorded. Every referral slip is pre-numbered with a unique ID number. This shall serve as a patient identifier between the DMC LT and STLS for follow-up and retrieval of patient. The name of the DMC issuing the referral slip and the name of the TB unit is written down in the relevant space. The other patient details such as patient name, age in years, sex, DMC lab number and patient address with landmark is recorded by the DMC LT. The contact telephone number of the patient should also be recorded without fail. The DMC LT shall then record the date of sputum collection and smear result of the sputum smear sample A and B of the patient in the relevant columns. The columns for sample C and D would be initially left blank. The DMC LT shall then write down legibly the name of the MOTC, telephone number of the TU and the telephone number of the STLS. The DMC LT shall also write the address of the TB unit or collection center if the referring DMC is not located in the same TB unit. This process is important to ensure that patient is aware of where to go next and whom to meet and avoid loss of patients for study intake. The DMC LT shall reiterate the patient instruction printed on the referral slip. He shall ask the patient to carry the referral slip and show it to the doctor. Also, he shall ask the patient to carry overnight sputum sample in the container that has been provided to him. The DMC LT shall emphasize to the patient that he should carry all relevant, available previous and current medical records with him when he meets the doctor. This interview with the MOTC should be arranged at the earliest possible convenience on priority. The patient should be asked to hand over the referral slip to the lab technician at the collection center or TB unit along with the overnight and spot sputum sample. When the patient hands over the sample D and sample C, the date of sputum collection in DD-MM-YY format and the time of sample collection in 24 hours format should be legibly written in the relevant columns. The STLS may finally pin the referral slip along with the STLS patient log diary sheet of the corresponding patient. This shall enable the STLS to follow up those patients whose referral slips are missing, meaning that the smear positive patients have not yet reported for interview with the MOTC. The referral slips should not be dispatched to NTI. The STLS should intimate the LTs of the DMCs upon successful completion of the required intake of 27 smear-positive new cases and 17 smear-positive previously treated cases from the TB unit to stop further issual of referral slips.